You can set your Audi's passenger side mirror to automatically adjust to a downward curb view when you put the vehicle in reverse, helping to avoid scuffed tires or scratched wheels. To program, begin with the ignition on. Be sure to set the electronic parking brake by pulling up on the switch. Place your foot on the brake and move the gear shift to reverse. With the control knob on the driver's door, select the passenger side mirror adjustment and adjust so you're able to view the curb. The tilt programming will only work with the control in the passenger position. Now place the gear shift in park. The backup position is now saved. However, the mirror will remain in the curb view position until you release the electronic brake, put the vehicle in drive, and begin to accelerate. The curb view tilt programming mirror is just one more feature on your Audi designed to keep your Audi in the best condition possible and make your driving experience more pleasant every day.